Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Veronica. Today we're going to make sheep pan chicken fajitas. So we got two pieces of chicken breast. So we got this from Pack and Save. And we got sweet mini peppers from Pack and Save. Okay, I'm just going to try something different. Garlic powder, cumin ground, and chili powder, and it says onion powder. I'm just going to use this sort of powder. So, okay, we're gonna, okay. Okay, I'm going to open up the chicken breasties. So we're going to cut it into thick strips. Oh, you can use chicken tenders. I should have used chicken tenders. Okay, we're going to cut into 1.5 thick strips. So 1.5. So oh my gosh. So I'll probably save some of this for my mum. Oh, I might just. So, and now I'm gonna do these peppers. They're different sort of peppers, but so. I don't know why the CIA wasn't really in. Okay. Right. Oh, pardon me. Me got the burpees. Oops. Okay. Oh, I might do it yellow. I'll do a smaller one. Yeah, because I'm doing... Okay. So the veggies will go in here. Then we're gonna... So I'm just gonna use... So just got sprinkle. Oh, actually... And that, for me, I don't like hot as much. So. I got the chili powder, so it's, I'm just going to do a little, sprinkle. Oh, do you hate all the, put it all together? I might just, it says you put it in the oven, I'm just going to do it, I'm just going to fry it, so. All that together. Oh. Fuck. Okay. I got olive oil. So I'm just going to do mine differently today. So we're on gas, so it'll cook a bit. I'll say cook in the pan. Yeah. See, we're on gas, so. Up. So there it is. Yep. So it's, I put the chicken on, so it's all, I just want to try something different, you see. Not always on that I've got this tread going on at the moment. So I've got the right, and then cut some more of those. Well, look at, yeah, it's getting there. So it says bake for 20. Sorry, rephrase that. So it's going to bake for 18 and 20 minutes. So it is. So I'm just going to let the chicken cook for. So it's going to look. So it's all cooked. I'm just not gonna have some of, I'm not gonna have all of it because my mum probably wants some for dinner tomorrow. I'll just wait until that calms down. So, then I can put that in the bowl. Okay, well, I'm going to put sour cream on top. Oh no, I'm going to put sour cream. Oh my god, that smells nice. Oh my god, that's wow. Sorry. Sour cream. Let's see. Good. Put sour cream on the side. Yep. And a little bit more. Oh. Okay. Okay. Thank you for watching how to make sheet pan chicken frittatas. I'll put the recipe link down in the description down below. Subscribe, push the notification bell for more videos down the line. Ronnie is out. Bye. This looks great. Okay, I'm going to do a try. I'm going to get a knife. Okay, I'm going to do a try. Oh my god, this is going to look yummy. Oh, great, look. I'll give it 10 out of 10, mate. Man, oh my god.